Good evening. Can you hear me? Yes. Yes. Everyone joined? Oh, please send me message. I'll send in message. Oh, okay. Okay, there was a technical issue with our Zoom account. Now I think it's now okay. I have access to change that now. Uh, okay. Okay, what we discussed last day? Last day we discussed our area part, right? The area. Okay. We discussed up to 2D objects completed, right? 2D object. Okay, I will refresh again how to find area of what are the equations of each and every 2D objects again simply. Okay, square, what is the equation? Today for calculation, we need this equation. Square, what is the equation? Equivalent to square in normal square. What is the equation? What is the equation? Yes, a square. A square. This is not visible. A square. The area equal a square. Rectangle area equal a into b. AB. Parallelogram. If you absent last week, please note down these equations, because today very important, these equations very important today. Parallelogram, the area equal the base into height, a into h, base into perpendicular height, base into perpendicular height. Triangle, the area equal half into base into base mean a, half into base into perpendicular height, half into base into height. Yes, half into base into height. Oh, I told another equation, half into AB sine C. AB sine C, that we discussed further in the trigonometry lesson. With trigonometric ratio also we can find the area of triangle, that we called as half into AB sine C. Trapezium, the area equal A plus B over 2 into perpendicular height. A plus B, that's mean these two parallel sides, sum of two parallel sides divide by 2 multiply by perpendicular height. Circle, that you already know, the area equal 5r squared. 5r squared. Every equations you have to remember. No any equations given in the exam. Every equations you have to remember. Area equal 5r squared. 5r squared. Okay, I told finally I told how we get the semicircle. Semicircle like this half circle, the area equal 5r squared over 2 or half 5r squared. 5r squared over 2. That's mean half 5r squared. Okay, this part sector. How we get the area? With theta radius and r radius and theta angle. Sector part, what is the equation? Sector part, what's the equation? You meant sector part. Yes, I told we have two equations. If it is substitute angle in, if we substitute angle in degrees, we can use, yes, your equation we can use the area equal theta over 360 pi r squared. If you use angle in radian, what is the equation? If you use angle in radian, that we discussed last week, what is the relationship between radian and degrees? What's the relationship between radian and degree? Everything we discussed, right? Okay. The area, what is the equation? By radian? Yes, Fatim. Half r square theta radian. Very good. Half r square theta radian. 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 Okay, that's a sector. Okay. Now, if you can remember these all equations, I will give you exercise. Okay, this paper, are you got to all this paper? Have you downloaded this area tutorial paper? Who couldn't download? Yeah, within when I sent message, there was so many message from lot of students. They cannot enroll, they cannot download. Who sent me message? I couldn't reply for any message. Yeah, I want. If you want, I can send this paper into chat. You can download. Okay. Wait. I'll send it to chat. Okay. Okay, I have sent it to chat. Okay, question number 1. They are separated past paper questions. Separated past paper questions. This is 2015, very simple area question. Okay, try to do this question. Read this question. Is it clear? Is it readable? Vihanga? Board clear? Okay, thank you. Okay, for a new invention, a mechanic removed shaded part from a flat metal sheet of a square shape with side of 10 centimeter divided into 16 squares by dotted lines. Okay, it is divided into 16 square. Yes. Shown as shown in the figure. The area of the removed metal sheet is, okay, the question given, the shaded part is removing. Then the final question asks the removing part. That means you need to get the area of this removed part. Okay. I can give you 1 minute. It is very simple question. Don't need to note down questions. You have paper. You can, if you want, you can take a print out. It is only two-page paper. Okay. Yes. Kabir correct. Others? Others? Yes, you are correct. Others? The question asks this shaded part area. The area of the shaded part. Okay, very simple question, right? This is a shaded part. Fatima, what's the answer? This is a shaded part. Yes, good. Yes, Dino correct. India correct. Sandeep, not 50. Try again. Tumula. Yes, correct, Tumula. Yes. Okay, what's the method? Now, if you understood the question clearly and simply, that's it is easy. For a new invention, a mechanic removed shaded part from a flat metal sheet of square shape with side of 10 centimeter. This metal sheet, side length 10 centimeter. Side length 10 centimeter. Then, and it has divided into 16 squares by dotted lines. By this dotted line, dash lines, it has divided into 16 small square. The area of removed part. Okay. To get the area of removed part, first of all, you need to find the how many numbers of small squares is shaded. Small squares is removed. Okay. First of all, this part is a half square. This is another half square. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 half squares. Then above part of the plate, 1, 2, 3, 4 half squares. Then overall, 4 plus 4, 8 half squares, right? 8 half squares. 8 half squares. 8 multiplied by the 8 half squares. 8 half squares mean how many full squares? Full small squares. 8 into 8 divided by 2, it is 4 full squares. Full small square. Now you need to find what is the surface area of small, this dash line separated small square area. Okay, first of all, it is given the one side length is 10 centimeter. It is 10 centimeter. Then you can, it is divided into 10 equal segments, right? Then one side is, one part is 10 divided by 4. 10 divided by 2, it is 5. 5 divided by 2 again, it is 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 centimeter. Then it is square. Then how we get the area? A square, small square, 2.5. 2.5 into 2.5. It is 6.25. You can use calculator. 6.25. 6.25. It is 2015 A-level question. 6.25 square centimeter. That is one square. How many? This same type, same size. How many squares? 4 squares is shaded and removed. 4 squares is shaded and removed. Yes, Sandeep. Then 6.25 multiplied by 5. The answer, multiplied by 4. The answer is 25. Understood? Understood? Yes. Any doubt? You can ask. Okay, your second problem. Second question. Okay, third question from 3D object that don't need. Let's try to do third question. Third question. String lines are set out to excavate the foundation of a building with the foundation of a triangle shape with a side of 20 meter. Side of 20 meter. To check the accuracy of this setting, it is 2016 paper question. Okay? To check the accuracy of this setting, the distance from the vertex of the triangle set out in string line to midpoint of the opposite side was measured. That means like this. This is a vertex. This is a vertex. This we need to draw a line to the midpoint of this thing. This is a midpoint like this. Another street. Another street. Think it is H or L. If this triangle set out in string lines is accurate, if it is accurate, then the measured distance should be the H length is asking. H length is asking. Okay, before get the answer, tell me what is the theory you need to use for, what is the concept you need to use for this question? What's the concept? What's the concept? Pythagoras theorem. Good. Good theorem. Okay. Get the answer. Okay, this is a equal to triangle. Equal to triangle. This from this vertex, not this, whatever vertex, it has three vertex. Vertex means these points. From one vertex, it is a line to the midpoint. Midpoint of the opposite side. Midpoint of the opposite side. Think it is H. Then the question asks H length. Length of H. Length of H. Yes, Kabir correct. Tanura correct. The H length is asking. Oh, H height. Vihanga, what is the answer? Ravindu? Sadev, are you there? Yes, Fatima correct. No, 20. Not 20, Kavind. 20 is this slant height is 20. But the question is perpendicular H. Salmi are not 10. Try again. Yes, option 3, good. Sandeep correct. Yes. Yes, correct. Okay. The question asks very simple question, right? Very simple question. This is a equal to triangle. Equal to triangle like this. Equal to triangle. 20 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 20 centimeter. If I draw from this like dash line or whatever line, yes, it will correct. Okay, then this is the midpoint of the opposite side. Then 20 divided into 2. Then this part is 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. This part is 10 centimeter. Now, the slant opposite, sorry, hypotenuse side is 20. 20. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse equal 20 squared equal 10 squared plus H squared. Think it is H. Now 20 squared 400 equal 100 plus H squared. Plus H squared. To isolate H squared, get 100 into left side. 400 minus 100. 400 minus 100, it is 300. It is H squared. But the question asks H height. The height equal 300 square root. But the problem is 300 square root not given in the answer. In answers, don't have 300 square root. Don't have 300 square root. Therefore, what you need to do? You have write the H equal 100 into 3 square root. 100 into 3 square root. Now h equal 100 square root 10 square root 3 centimeter. Not centimeter, right? Meter. Meter or centimeter. Meter. Okay, question number 4. It is from, this is a, read the question clearly. A funnel is made of ABCD angular sector cut from a metal sheet with dimensions as shown in the figure. The outer surface area of the body of the funnel is, outer surface area means you just need to think, you want to calculate the shaded area of this sector part. Shaded area of this sector part. Third question. Answer show. Oh, sorry. Okay, I told in maths lessons, you have only 5 maths lessons. From that you have 10 MCQ question in MCQ paper. 10 MCQ question, it is very important. 10 MCQ mean 10 marks from 100. From 100, 10 marks mean it is a valuable 10 marks because you can easily score. Simple questions coming. Okay, you can go through past papers, simple questions, statistic and coordinate geometry. After you complete these 2 bulk lessons, you can answer for any question in maths part. Okay, before that, until we discuss these 2 lessons, you can work on this area volume, Pythagoras, simple trigonometric ratio questions. You can work on this. Okay, after our basic mathematics complete, you can complete. I will separate it and I will give you all questions and all model paper and all question paper area and volume both. After we complete area, volume, Pythagoras, trigonometry, then you can work on this and practice. It is easy to score, easily score. You can easily score. Okay, this is the funnel like this. This angle is given. The angle is theta. The theta is given. The theta is 5/4. 5/4 mean you should know it is radian, not degree. 5/4 radian. Then the question asks, this is 9 centimeter, this part 1 centimeter. The question asks this shaded area. The question asks this shaded area. Okay, I can give you 2 minutes. The angle is 5/4 radian. Radian. Very good, Tumula. Correct. Kabir, correct. Others? Correct. Dinul? Tanmya, 4.2 me? Fatima, no. Fatima, try again. Yes, Sandeep, correct. Okay, let's try to do this. Okay, how we get this answer? Okay, the question asks this shaded part area. Shaded part area. Okay, now it is a sector part. To get the area of sector, we have two equations, right? We have two equations. What are the equations? Theta over 365 r squared or half r squared theta radian. But the problem is the theta is given in radian. Therefore, if you want to use first equation, theta over 360 equation, you have to convert that radian into theta, then you can use. But if you use radian angle, you can directly calculate with the second equation, half r square theta radian. Okay, this is I'm going to, this shaded part is asking, then I'm going to get the area of full sector first. Area of full sector. Area of full sector. Full sector part. Area of full sector part. Okay, what is the equation? Half r square theta radian. Half r square theta radian. Then half r squared mean The full sector means 9 plus 1. It is 10 centimeter. 10 into 10. Theta radian means 5 over 4 radian. 5 over 4 ract. 5 over 4 ract. Now it is 5. Now it is 5. It is it's better to you get as divide by 8 as a fraction. Then 10 over 10, 10 into 10, 100, 105. 105 divide by 4 into 2, it is 8. This is the full centimeter square. This is the full area of the full sector. Area of the full sector. Okay, now you can get the unshaded small sector part area. The area of unshaded full sector area subtract small sector area. Then 105 over 8 minus 5 over 8. 5 over 8. What's the answer? The answer is equal 105 minus 5, it is 99.5 over 8 square centimeter. This is the shaded area of the body area of the funnel. Body area of the funnel. Understood? If you want, but it is MCQ question. In MCQ questions, you need to get answer according to the answer, according to the given answer format. But if it is essay or structured essay question, you can get your own method. You can get the decimal answer into decimal number with 2 decimal points. 2 decimal points. Okay. First of all, in first step, I got the full sector area. The area of full sector, half r square theta radian, half get the full radius, r square 10 into 10, radius into radius. Then the angle in radian 5 over 4. Then I got 105 over 8 centimeter square. Then I got the small part, this unshaded small part, small, it's also a small sector, like this one. This is a small sector. Then I got the area of this small sector. Then it is same equation, half r square theta radian. Now 1 into 1 into 1 into 5, it is 5 divided by 8. Now to get the shaded area, now from this full sector, if I subtract this small sector part, you can get the remain part. That is the shaded part, that is a funnel area. Understood? Okay, completed. I completed. Mariam, finish. Okay. Question number 6. Question number 6. Same type question. The problem is it's not visible to answers. There is a fourth answer. That's the fifth answer. (392 5 square centimeter), and fifth answer 784 5 square centimeter. Question 5, we only doing, still we completing the lesson only 2D objects. Question number 5, question number 2, they are the questions based on 3D objects. Okay, after today lesson, you can complete these questions. In next week, we discuss this 3D object questions. Then within next week, we can complete area and volume. Today, still we doing 2D objects, 2D shapes, not 2D objects, 2D shapes, area of 2D shapes. Okay, question number 6, as shown in the diagram, shaded area with the center O and radius 28 centimeter has been removed from the circular metal plate. The area of the piece of metal plate removed from the in terms of 5. Okay, the radius is 28 centimeter. It is given in the question, 28 centimeter. Okay, then the shaded part is asking again. The shaded part area is asking again. Shaded part area is asking again. Yes, Kabir, correct. Shaded part area is asking. Okay, what is the equation? Yes. Dinul? Ah, 2, not 2 point. Answer 2, right? Okay. Yes, very good. Okay, what's the equation? It is very simple now. Same type questions. You can see it is 2018. Continuous asking same type questions in exam. 2018 exam paper. Exam question. Yes, very good. All are correct. Yes, very good. Okay, what is the equation? The area equal. Now, any equation you can use, but easy theta over 360 because the angle given in degrees, it is 45 degrees. 45 degrees. 45 degrees. Now, into 5r squared. 5r squared. Now, theta 45 over 360 into 5 in terms of 5 asking, then r square 28 into 28. 28 is clear. Now, yes, now you can use calculator 28 into 28 into 45 divide by 360. Divide by 360. What's the value? 45 into 28 into 28. The answer divide by 360. It is 98. Answer 98 5 centimeters square is come. Answer number 2. Answer number 2. Very good. All are correct. Mariam, are you good? Sir, Samya? Okay. It is. They are simple question. Okay. Last question for today. It is planned to construct a spectator stand in a circular playground as shown in the diagram. The floor area of the spectator stand is, that means the shaded area is asking. This stand is given. This is the shaded area. Okay, calculate. The question asks again shaded area. Okay, I can give you 2 minutes. Quickly get the answer. Again, same type, no? It is a sector part. Okay, are you good? Okay, what is the method now? What's the method now? Yes, good, correct. Tumula correct, Habir correct. Okay, I will draw the stage again. I will draw this stage again. Okay, this is the shape of the stage. This is a circle. And this is the O. This is the shape. This is the shape. The stage is, yeah, this is the shaded area is the question. Question asks the area of shaded path. Two arc length is given. The angle 60 degrees and this arc length is given 110 centimeter, 110 meter and 132 meter, 110 meter and 132 meter. Okay. Yes, Dinu, correct. Okay. To get that, it is same as previous question. What are the missing data here? Missing data is, the problem is no radius given. There is no any radius value given. No. See, at least circle radius is not given. But you arc length given. Now you already know arc length mean part of circle, circular part of circle, circular part of circle. Then you can get this value. The arc length is equal theta over 360 to phi r, that you already know. That's a one method. You have another method also. I'll explain that one also. Then theta is 60 over 360 2 phi r. That's means circumference, part of circumference. Okay. The arc length, first arc length is 110. 2 into 5 into r. R we don't know. R we don't know. Okay. 360 to 60, 6, right? 6 and 1. 6 and 2 cancel into 3. Now 3 cancel. 3 multiply into this side, cross multiplication. 360 equal 5r. 360 equal 5r. 330 equal 5r. 330 equal 5r. To get the r, it is 330 over 5. 330 over 5. 330 over 5. Okay, this is a one method. You have another method. You have last week I told the S equal r theta. That means theta radian. Do you remember? Theta radian we can find arc length over S over radius. Do you remember? S over radius. Theta angle, this theta radian angle, we can get arc length divided by the radius. Normally, what is the meaning of 1 radian? 1 radian, if you remember 1 radian definition, you can get this value. What is the definition of 1 radian? The angle given by the arc length equal to the radius. The angle given by the 1 radian mean the angle given by arc length equal to the radius. That means S equal to S, R equal to S. That's the mean. 5 over 5 like this. If it is 5, the radius 5 centimeter, arc length also 5 centimeter. That's given angle we called as 1 radian. 1 radian. But to get the radius, now you can use the theta radian of equal SR equation. We can modify as S equal R theta. S equal R theta. See, S equal R theta radian. S equal R theta radian. I cross multiplicate. Cross multiplicate. Okay, S equal R theta radian. S equal R theta radian. Now we don't know r, but theta we can convert into radian now. Okay, tell me, send me all the 60 degree when we convert into radian, what is the angle? What's the value? 60 degree when we convert into radian. 60 degree convert into radian. 60 degree convert into radian. Last week we discussed, right? Yes. Yes, 5 over 3. 5. Yes, 5 radian mean, you can remember it is 180 that we already discussed. 5 radian 360 degrees equal 25. Then 180 degrees equal 5. 60 mean 180 divided 3. Therefore, it is 5 over 3. The S is given 110. 110 meter. The radius we don't know. Radius we don't know. The theta radian is 5 over 3. 5 over 3 radian. Okay, if I isolate the, now see, 3 into 110, 330 equal 5r. R into 5, 5r. Then you can isolate the r. You can isolate the r. R equal 330 over 5. 330 over 5. See, both method you can get the same answer for r. You don't need both method. Whatever method you can use. Any method you can use. Understood these two methods? I got to get the radius. I got only one radius yet. This small part radius is 330 over 5 centimeter. Not centimeter, meter, sorry. Meter. Understood? Any doubt? Any doubt? I good? Kavindya? Both method okay? You don't need both methods. Don't need both methods. Okay, now I'm going to erase one method. I hope you got the idea of both methods. Okay, now this is R1. R1 means small radius I got. Small radius I got. Okay, now I am going to get this full sector radius. Full sector arc length is 132. Now you can use same method, whatever, both methods again you can use. I'm going to use okay, which method I need to use? I can, okay, I'm going to use R is equal R theta method for second one. S equal R theta. If you want, you can use same equation, no problem. S equal R theta radian. Then S is 132. 132. Radius we don't know. Theta same angle. 5 over 3. 5 over 3 radian. 5 over 3 radian. Okay, now multiply 132 into 3 and divide by 5. It is easy. It's easy. R equal 396 divided by 5 meter. The full radius is 392.96 divided by 5 meter. It is the full radius. Okay, I got both radius, small part radius and full sector radius. Then I'm going to use same method as previous. Get the full area of full sector. Area of full sector. Full sector area. Full sector area. Full sector area, what is the equation? Both the equation now again you can use. Half into r square theta radian, no? Theta over 360 phi r square, any equation. I'm going to use radian equation for easy calculation. Half into r square theta radian. Half into r square mean now full sector, then 900, so 396 over 5 into 396 over 5 over radian, 5 over 3 radian. 5 over 3 radian. By over 3 radian. Okay, now 5 to 5 what cancel out. 396 divided into 2. 396 divided into 2. You can get the value. 392.96 divided into 2. The value is 192. 192. 192. 396 again you can divide into 3, right? 3. 396 divided into 198. 198. 396 divided into 3. It is 132. 132. Now you can get the full sector area. 198 into 132 divided by 5. $26,136 divided by 5 square meter. This is a full sector area. Full sector area. Okay. Next step, I am going to get the small sector area. Small sector area. Small sector area. Small sector area, same equation, half into r square mean 330 over 5. 330 over 5 into 330 over 5. 5 over 3 radius. Radian. Then 5 to 5 cancel out. 330 over 3, 110. 330 over 2, it is 165. 165. Now 165 into 110. 165 into 110. It is 18,150 over 5 square meter. Okay, now the state surface area, shaded part surface area, shaded surface area. Okay, this is a MCQ question. For MCQ questions in exam, you don't need to follow these all orders. Don't need. You can, in a working paper, you can just you can just calculate these values and no need this order, follow this all order. But I am practicing you into the essay paper. Essay paper also you have maths question, area and volume, compulsory question in essay part also. Okay, in essay parts, you need to follow these all steps and all orders. It is compulsory. In essay part, if you got the final answer and write down final answer, you don't have marks. It is compulsory to write down all steps. Okay, now the shaded surface area, how we get shaded surface area? 26 26,136 over 5. That's a full sector area. Then subtract this unshaded small sector area. 18,150 over 5. Okay, 5 common. 5 common, then get the 26,136. Subtract 18,150. It is 7,986. 7,986. Then you can get the value. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. Okay, you can, if you want, you can directly divide by 5 using calculator. If not, you can use 7,986 divide by 22 over 7. 7,986 multiply by 7 over 22. Any method. Multiply by reciprocation. Multiply by reciprocation. Then you can get the value. Two 2,541 square meter, right? Answer number 3. Understood? Fatima, I got the same answer. Fatima, correct? Okay, I'll show. I'll give you 1 minute if you okay, understand these steps. Okay, steps. First of all, I found the radius. This is my first step. Small. This is yes, small sector radius. This is my second step. Full sector radius. This is a full third step. Full sector area. This is fourth step. Small sector area. Then subtract it and got the value. Understood? Now understood, Fatima? Mariam, I got. Sadev, they are not too complex calculations. Good. Great. Okay, can I erase? Can I change the screen? Okay. Okay, it has a lot of questions. there's a lot of questions here with 3D objects. Okay, after today discussion, okay, this type good questions I have included here. Same type questions also there. Okay, this type, this one again same question. It is 2018, 2000 no 2019 I think. I can't remember. 2017 same question again asking 2018. See. Okay. Go to the tube, not tube. Go to your book, area and volume. Okay, now this is today lesson, the area of three-dimensional object, 3D objects. The area of 3D objects. Get your books. Get your books. Okay, write down the topic, the area of three-dimensional object within bracket 3D objects. The area of three-dimensional object, 3D objects or 3D shapes. Okay, geometric solids are also made up of these geometric shapes. Normally 2D shapes, the collection of 2D shapes made as 3D objects that we call as three-dimensional object with 2D faces. 2D faces. Then when the area of the shapes surrounding the solid are added together, that means that we already know the equations. If you got the surrounding each surface area, 2D shape surface area, and then adding these all values, you can get the total surface area of the solid object, 3D objects. Okay, the cube. Okay, write down the first 3D object, the cube. The cube. The cube. Okay, it has 6 equatorial square faces. Yes, it has equatorial square. Now you already know. Then what is area? You can get the area of 1 square. 1 square area a squared. Then multiply with 6. Then 6a square is the area. Write down the equation. 6a square. 1 square area multiply with 6. Draw this diagram and write down the area. Write down the equation. The area equal 6a square. 6a square. 1 square face, it is a squared. Same type, 6 surface. Second one, cubic. Okay, how we get it is, it has different different 6 rectangle surfaces. 3 rectangle surfaces. Now we can get the length of this object No, Tumul, simple. The area of 3D object, three-dimensional objects. The first one, cube, the cube. Draw a cube and write down the area equation 6a squared. 6a squared. Second one, cubic. Okay. It has different 6 rectangle surfaces. Okay. How we get the area? Area. We can get the first bottom surface. Bottom surface A into C, right? A into C. Now you already know rectangles. A into C is bottom surface. That is equal to the this surface, opposite surface. Then 2AC plus 2AC plus this side surface B into C. B into C. B into C. This opposite surface is equal to that. Therefore, 2BC plus this front surface A into B. A into B. Opposite back surface, it is same to front surface. Then we can get the area of cubic by this equation. Get the surface area of each faces, then add together. Very simple things, like grade 6 to 7, you did things. Okay, next 3D shape, the cylinder. The cylinder. The cylinder. Third one, the cylinder. It has two identical circular faces. Two identical circular faces that we call, this is lid and base. Lid and base, two identical. It is the cylinder is, it is like a tin. Wait, I will show you. So for cubic, can we use this? 4AB plus 2BC. 4AB mean? No. For this one, okay. For this one, it is same size, no? This side, it is a square for this one. But this side also a square, similar, like this. It is different shape like this. You have to get the different three surfaces. Yeah, now this one, and bottom one, base one. They are different. You have to get separately this front surface, side surface, and this surface separately and multiply with 2 and add. Understood? මේ තුන separately අරගෙන add කරන්න ඕනේ. Otherwise for this one, okay, this one it is a square shape. If it is square, okay, but this surface is rectangle, it is a problem. It's a problem. Okay. cylinder important. Okay, write down its star mark. It has two identical circular surfaces, and a curved section. The curved section when unfolded takes on a rectangular shape. Rectangular shape. Okay, note down this point. Okay, now what is explained here? Okay, this is a cylinder. Cylinder mean this is a lid of the cylinder. That's a circular surface, and opposite side also circular surface, and it has a curved surface. Okay, now, okay, to the lid and bottom, lid and base, actually no problem. Why? It is a circular. It is circles. Then we can get 5r squared. For this base, you can use 5r squared. For lid, you can use 5r squared. It's no problem. Then 2 5r squared. Okay, but the problem is this curved surface. Okay, if I unfold this curved surface, it can be a make curved surface. If I unfold it is like this. It is same as rectangle. This is the height of the rectangle. It is h, same as the cylinder height. And what is the length of this rectangle? Sadev, what is the length of, if I unfold this curved surface as a rectangle, what is the length of this rectangle? What's the length of this rectangle? Yumit, what's the length? Good. Others, Yumit? If I unfold, no, not 2r. Dinu, the make a did error. If I unfold this curved surface, unfold karando. Then unfold, Yumit. Yes, very good. Circumference may circumference become as the length. Dinu. Circumference, not 2r. We make a minimum digar. We need to unfold that. Unfold like this. Then this circumference is the main maker. The circumference is the length of this rectangle. Are you got? You met? Circumference. Then what is the equation for circumference? 2πr, right? 2πr for circumference. Then this length is 2πr. Now it has another two. This is the thing. This is a circle. This type, how many circles? 2 circles. In 2 circles, then 5r squared into 2 5r squared. Okay, now how we get the total surface area? Total surface area of cylinder. Total surface area, easy. Now 2 5r into h. This is a curved surface area. Curved surface area 2 5r h plus 2 5r square. 2 5r square mean lid and base. 2 5r square mean lid and base. 2 5r h is the curved surface area that you need to remember very well. This is very important for our lot of calculation. 2 5r h is the curved surface area. This curve, unfolded area, not unfolded. That the equation we got by unfolded rectangle. Understood? The total surface area of cylinder. Now you have to remember 2 5r h plus 2 5r square. 2 phi RH plus 2 phi R square. 2 phi RH plus 2 phi R square. 2 phi RH plus 2 phi R square. Two phi RH plus 2 phi R square. Okay, this is my question. Okay, quickly write down. Okay, draw the cylinder. Then after that, you can draw this one, and write down the full surface area equation. Draw cylinder and second write down this one, then two circles. Finally, write down equation. Complete. Mariam, Sadev. Okay, if I got this type cylinder without lid and without base, think it don't have base, only curved surface, what is the equation? Only curved surface. Only curved surface without lid or base, circular surfaces, only curved surface. Then what is the equation? To get the outer surface area, 2 phi RH. Very good. It is 2 phi RH. 2 phi RH. Then if I got this type actual, it has only base, no lid and curved surface area. How we get the outer surface area? Don't have lid. Lid is empty. Don't have lid. This type one. It has a base and curved surface. Don't have lid. Lid එකක් නැහැ. How we get it? Yes, very good. Others, only two answers. Sarmia, how we get it? Mariam? Curved surface area and lid. Don't, sorry, base. Don't have a lid. Fatima? Yes, good. What's the equation? Yeah, this time it is 2 phi RH, it is the curved surface area plus phi R square. Phi R square without lid. Lid and base both, it is 2 phi R square. 2 phi RH plus 2 phi R square. Okay, this is okay. Come to note down fourth topic, cone. 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 Okay, draw a cone. It is simple L that we called as slant height. This is slant height. Slant height. Slant height. Slant height. Slant height. This is a radius R. This is a radius R. Radius is R. Okay, note down with this star mark. It has a circular bottom and curved section. The curved section, when unfold, that takes the shape of concentric circle. Concentric circle. Okay. Now, how many surfaces? It has two surfaces. The base bottom surface and base bottom. That means circular surface and curved surface, right? Curved surface. Then get the total surface area. Total surface area. The total surface area equal the curved surface area plus circular base. Circular base surface area. Circular base surface area. Okay. Now, what is the equation? Remember, circular curved surface area, it is phi r L. L mean what? Slant height. Phi r L plus circular base is a circle. It is phi r square. Phi r L plus phi r square is the total surface area of the core. Total surface area of the core. Note down. Phi r L plus phi r square. Phi r L plus phi r square. What's the meaning of phi r L? The curved surface area, this surface. This surface. This is a base surface area is phi r squared. Phi r squared. Base surface area is phi r squared. How did it become phi r L? Good question, but the problem is we can't prove this. It is required integration. It is integration proofing calculation. Now, in your level, that enough to remember like this. We need integration for this phi r L proof. I told in this lesson, lot of equations we have. For prove this equation, we need integration calculation. I told in last day. Only simple relationship only we can understand in A level for technology stream. After your university, you can understand, you can learn integration and differentiation. In the first year of your university. Any degree in first year, you have a basic mathematics module. In basic mathematics module, you can learn this integration. Complete? You made complete? Okay, come to final 3D shape. It is circle, sorry, sphere. Sphere mean hole. Sphere. Okay, do you remember what is the area of sphere? Anyone? The circle phi r squared, no? Now it is sphere, 3D object, like ball. How we get the area of sphere? Fatima, do you remember? Yes, Kabir, correct? Good. Very good, very good. It is also integration equation 4 phi r square. 4 phi r square. 4 phi r square. 4 phi r square. No, Dinul, it is volume. Now we discuss in surface area. 4 over 3, 3 over 4 over 3, that's calculation for volume, not for area. It's volume. For area, 4 phi r square, Dinul. Area, it has only one surface. That's the main feature. The sphere, only one surface. One surface, it is 4 pi r square. Okay. Final one, hemisphere. Hemisphere. Hemisphere mean if I cut into sphere into two parts, the surface, the resultant part. Okay. What is the surface area equation? Here, there is a half of the curved complete sphere. Yes, it is a complete sphere, half part, and there is circular surface. No, and note down this. Here there is a half of the curve of complete sphere and circular part. Circular part. Note down this with star mark. Okay, this is the hemisphere and the radius r. Okay, what is the equation now? The full sphere 4 phi r squared, half sphere mean hemisphere. What is the equation? No, Tumul, wrong. Very good, Kabir. Kabir, correct. Not 2 phi r squared. Not 2 phi r squared. Okay, this curved surface. Okay, others, what is the equation? Yes, Fatima, correct. Yes, 3 phi r squared is the equation. Okay, how it's coming 3 phi r? 3 phi r squared. Okay, according to the given here, it's already given. Okay, the curved surface is a half sphere. Curved surface, that means this is a half sphere. Then we can get this part Tumula. We can get this part 2 phi r squared. That's a half of sphere, 2 phi r squared. But there is another circular sphere. There is another circular part, circular surface. Okay, then the total surface area equal 2 phi r squared plus the above surface phi r squared. It is 3 phi r squared. But remember, this 3 phi r squared equation coming only for solid objects, only for solid hemisphere. If it is hollow hemisphere, like tennis ball cut into two parts, like hollow hemisphere, it is 2 phi r squared because it don't have circular surface. Understood? Hollow hemisphere 2 phi r squared only. 2 phi r squared only. Okay, that's practical things. Hollow hemisphere don't have hollow mean puhara cylinder, puhara article, puhara hemisphere. Hollow hemisphere don't have above surface, this surface. Therefore, it is only 2 phi r squared. 2 phi r squared. It's only 2 phi r squared. Okay, the pyramid. The pyramid. The pyramid. Okay, what's the equation for pyramid? This type, after that, only you need to remember equations for cylinder, cone, and uh, sphere. Cone and sphere. Only you need to remember for this and hemisphere. If you want, you can remember. But this pyramid, like pyramid, prism, like simple objects that we can calculate by face by face. Okay, you can get the bottom is a square, bottom is a square, it is a into a. Then you can get one triangle surface into 4. That's okay. Note down the prism, sorry, the pyramid. Note down this. It has a square base and 4 triangle faces. It gives the area of the entire solid when added separate area values together on each faces. Together on each faces. Okay, then write down the area equal square area, base square area, plus base square area plus 4 triangle area. 4 triangle area. 4 triangle area. Okay, that's the equation. You don't have specific equation. You can get separately base sphere, base square area, then get the 4 triangle area. Get 1 triangle area, multiply into 4, then add together. This is the equation for pyramid. Pyramid. Complete this quickly. Write down pyramid, then draw a pyramid. After that, note down this note. Write down this note and write down the expression. Prepare your note clearly, and I will give you today, this week, you have a lot of homework. You have area tutorial paper, and this tute has another exercise. It has 15 questions, and tutorial you have 20 questions. And you have another work. I will give you another work for prepare a short note. Okay, write down final 3D shapes. The triangular prism. The triangular prism. The triangular prism. Okay, write down star mark. It has 3 cubic faces and 2 triangular faces. It has it has 3 cubic faces. See, sorry, not cubic. It has 3 rectangle surfaces. It has 3 rectangle faces and 2 triangle surfaces. Not cubic surface. It has 3 rectangle faces and 2 triangular faces. Triangular faces. Okay, draw a prism and write down the area equal to triangle area. You can get separated, don't have specific equation. To triangle area. Now you already know how to get the triangle area plus 3 rectangle area. 3 rectangle area. This is the equation. Simple. a squared plus, for the pyramid we can use a squared plus 2ah, no 2ah, right? A squared plus 2ah, not correct. You have to get separately this triangle and add together. 2a is not correct. A squared, okay. By a squared you can get the base square, base area. Okay, this one also same. Okay, now you have a work. Now you have homework. The first homework, okay, this week you have a lot of works. First homework, complete the area exercise. This is first homework, note down. First homework, complete area exercise. Second homework, complete. I will upload this tute and half into base into height is triangle. So four triangles, four triangles, half into base into height. Yes. Same thing, no? Half into a squared plus half into base a h. Okay. Then multiply with 4. Yes. Yes, then a squared plus 2h, okay, but don't remember like this. Don't need to remember like specific equation. You can remember separately. You need to get separate surface and get the summation. Okay, this is your first homework. First homework, area exercise. I will upload this PDF with full PDF. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15 questions. It has 15 questions and this is area exercise. This is your homework. Complete. You have 7 days. You can complete everything. Homeworks. First one, area exercise. Note down. Area exercise. This first one. Second one, area tutorial. Today paper. Area tutorial. Area tutorial. This paper. We only discussed. This paper. We only discussed 4 questions only. You have 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yeah, you have 20 questions. 20 questions. Then you have 16 questions in the tutorial and 15 questions in the exercise paper. And the final work, you have to prepare short note for area part. Short note mean only you need to draw. You can make it in attractive way. Take a Bristol board or A3 paper or whatever large paper. Take a large paper or large board like this. Then write down first one the square. Then write down the equation a square. Then write down the second one, rectangle. Then you can, if you want, you can draw small figure here. okay, that don't need specific method. In your way, your method, you can prepare attractive short note for area equations. Okay, because these equations very important for entire 2 years, not only for this lesson, other lessons also, our physics lessons also, these equations important. Okay, prepare attractive short note. Attractive short note in your methods, according to your creativity, you can prepare it. Attractive short note. Attractive short note. Third one, attractive short note for area calculation, area equation. Area equation. Okay, then within this week, you have to complete all these works and try to complete all works in area within this week. Area एक complete करा. Then next week we start. Next week difficult questions of this exercise and tutorial we can discuss in the class. After that we start our new tute, volume. Volume is, it don't have tute only. We need to discuss this type exercise equations and discuss exercise and questions. Okay, any doubt from today's lesson? Now complete these works, area exercise, area tutorial, short note. Okay, then before 9 p.m. I can upload your exercise, sorry, tutorial paper. I have already uploaded. This one also I can upload into website, your course page. Then you can download and start your works. Goodbye. Good night.